Now this is another scenario here that Krishna is going to meet Shamala Sakhi. And let's see. Bold and proud speech. This is the translation here. Once Krishna was hiding in the courtyard of Shamala Sakhi's house. It's like, Shamala's inside and out there in the courtyard. Krishna's hiding somewhere. Because she's inside the house with her husband and her mother-in-law and father-in-law. Mother-in-law and father-in-law. And suddenly she detects Krishna's in her courtyard. And she becomes very happy, but also afraid. So then she meets him in the courtyard and speaks very arrogantly. Arrogant speech, arrogant, bold, heavy speech means these are the words of a mature, proud woman. They're bold and arrogant. So people that are proud are usually bold and arrogant, for sure. So then she says, "Oh, Krishna, oh, you cheater, what are you doing hiding behind this heap of cow dung?" Because remember, these are coward people. So they have their house, and then there's some courtyard, and there's cows there, and maybe one goshala. In the courtyard, they stack like when you walk down the street, if you walk down the street, or just glance around when you move around Braj, you'll see these stacks and stacks of cow dung patties. So that Krishna's hiding behind one of those. So if anybody looks out, there's a cow dung there, Because if he's just standing there by some tree, because they're pretty, you see them, they're like at least 6-8 feet high, and they're pretty wide, wide enough for two, just by chance. So you not only can't see one, but even if there's two behind you can't see. Well, Krishna's very clever. So what is this? You're hiding behind a pile of cow poop. You say, "Oh, you cheater, hiding behind this heap of cow dung? Why do you uselessly beg me in this way? Go away from here. Formerly, you were so expert at tricking the gopis when you frightened them to get inside an old boat at Manasiganga. But where is that expertise now?" She's really blessing him. So the Vishnu Chakravarti says, this is the background of why she spoke like this. Vishnu understands the background. Shamala was inside her house, and she was observing how Krishna had come to her house very surreptitiously and stealthily, secretly, because of his great desire to be with her, even without her permission. And she became very pleased. She was very naturally, that surprise visits are always very pleasant. If it's a surprise visit by someone you love dearly, then naturally, "Oh, what are you doing here? Why you came? Go home." Someone just appears somewhere, then you'll be very happy. It's a cause for happiness. So she was actually very pleased internally. But then, for fun, she showed external anger to scare Krishna. She said, "Listen, I'm going to reveal what you're doing to my elders. I'm going to reveal your scam to my elders. You're hiding out here behind the cow dung patties." So this is an example of ati prodokti. Ati prodokti, very bold and mature, heavy, bold speech of a mature, proud woman. So we'll continue with more of the qualities of the Pragalpa Nayaka next week by blessings of Rupa Goswami Pada and Krishna. Shivajal Nilamani ki jai.